Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we'll be unboxing this, the Mercedes AMG GT3 sports car in 1/24 scale by Tamiya. Very nice illustration here on the front and the kind of side view and front and rear view on the back. Little Daimler hologram there. Same on this side. On this side, some information about the car in English and Japanese. And the same on this side as the other. So let's get it open. Chrome sprue, clear sprue, bodywork, tyres and polycaps, interior parts, racing parts, roll cage, things like that. Floor, wheels, suspension, dashboard's in there. We've got the instruction booklet. And here we've got the decals as well as some metal transfers. This stunning GT3 class spec production race car employs a lightweight body with carbon fibre panels over an aluminium space frame, a large rear wing, diffuser and front spoiler. The rear-wheel drive racer is powered by a 6.3 litre naturally aspirated front-mounted V8 engine and since 2016 has graced numerous races worldwide, including the Japanese Super GT series. This is a 1/24 scale model, length is 198mm, width 87mm, provides a stunning rendering of the glamorous long nose, short deck form, details such as bonnet and fender air outlets. Features realistic depictions of interior and suspension. Metal plated parts recreate front grille and integrated emblem. So we'll go through the instructions. It's quite nice. This is a stapled set of instructions, unusual for Tamiya. In fact, it actually says on the back here some information about the painting. On its announcement at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show, the Mercedes-AMG GT3 was adorned with a matte grey livery featuring the AMG logo and yellow details, a tasteful scheme that remained largely unchanged in shows during 2016, the model year depicted by this kit. The AMG GT3 is of course also to be seen in the liveries of various teams which employ it in races across the globe. There are a ton of aftermarket decal sets which are available for this kit. I've seen some really impressive jobs done on this model. Shown here is the Battlefield livery done by Douglas Weir. And also I'm really interested to see how this all chrome Lincoln Park livery is completed by James Williams. Links to their Instagrams are in the description. So if we start here, we've got this large black sprue. This is the biggest one in the kit. You've got the quite nice detailed flat floor. These aren't injection point marks. These are kind of screw marks and things like that. So that's very nice. Really nice detailed diffuser there as well. You've got kind of things like the splitter. There's the rear wing. Suspension. These are some of the bonnet clips, the steering wheel, which looks like a video game steering wheel, windscreen wipers, dashboard, wheels. I mean, this is a really new kit and you can see just how nice and detailed these parts are. Really, really impressive. So then we've got this one, which is mainly interior parts. So there we have the interior tub. Really nice details on there. Lots of places for things to go. Got the seat, which is a little lacking in detail. Got these suspension parts. Some very small. I think these are the wheel nuts. Aerial. Yeah, door cards. See here. Brakes. Very large. Radiator. Exhaust system. Yeah, very fine. Absolutely no flash on this whatsoever. On this one, a mixture of interior and exterior parts. So you've got the rear and front bumper there. Some other sort of aero vents and things. The wing mirrors, I think these might be the door handles. Other sort of vents and slots and things. This here to go around the grille. And the roll cage. But yeah, as you can see, no flash whatsoever. It's nice that they've included little tabs to help these get fitted into place correctly. Then we've got the clear sprue here. I get the feeling that this will go together really, really nicely. I think that Tamiya have just done so many things, like you can see all these little tabs just to help you get these clear parts into place. Really nice. But yeah, beautifully moulded on here, really crisp and clear. Very fine detail on these lights with these sort of LEDs. We've got the chrome sprue, so it says that this is metal plated. Nice detail there on the three-pointed star. And these are to go on the back of some of the lights. Not sure about these 4 pieces here, but I guess we'll work out what those are when we build it. Okay? Now, one of the things which I think is a really good job that they've done with this is that details like the pin points here, they've left out, so they're separate, which means you've got no messy masking or things like that. It's just really sharp, really intelligent design by Tamiya on this. Lovely. 4 slick tyres and polycaps in there. Very minimal mould lines down the centre of these. They almost don't need sanding. I'd say if you want these to look fresh on, I wouldn't bother sanding those at all. Really nice. Quite low profile. These things, and yeah, it does look like there are window masks in there. Okay, we'll look at the decals first. There's 2 sets of decals here. So firstly you've got these just to go on the bodywork. It's nice to see that a lot of these are carbon fibre. Nice detail. As we said before, this was the kind of reveal livery, so kind of testing livery. Also got these with kind of seat belts and things like that. I think probably the decal seat belts are probably one of the only things I won't be using. I'll probably add my own. Yeah, so we do have window masks just for the front and the rear. And then in here we've got the mesh and also these to go on the rear view mirror, wing mirrors, and I think one of these decals is for the badge on the front maybe, or on the rear. One of them's for the steering wheel. Yeah, so this small circle goes underneath decal 47 here to give a chrome effect Mercedes badge on the bonnet, which is a nice feature. Absolutely gorgeous looking kit. I think this will be what I'll be working on next after I finish the Ferrari. Thank you very much for watching. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.